Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn to make tomato rice. Take a pan and add oil. Keep the flame to medium. Add ghee, clarified butter for taste, but it is optional. Fry a few cashews, 2 cardamom pods, cloves and cinnamon sticks. Roughly chop small onion, 2 green chilies and few curry leaves. ¼ teaspoon of turmeric. ½ teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. One cup of tomato puree. Let it cook properly. ¾ teaspoon of chili powder or paprika. ½ teaspoon of salt. Add 2 cups of cooked rice. ¾ teaspoon of garam masala for taste. Few chopped coriander, cilantro, or parsley. Tomato rice is ready to serve. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe.